Hi, welcome to DS, all about security. So I want to show you, we just started for this farmhouse. We are installing here 48 cameras, and this is about the 60 units. This is a guest house, the parking area, and this is for the entrance. So we're gonna put the entrance for one camera here, and we're gonna put outside about 16 cameras. So let me show you from the inside. So this is the entrance. We're gonna put one camera here by the door, and this is for the dining area. It's like people doing the breakfast, and this is for the reception. Here we're gonna put everything. The DVR, we're gonna put it there on top, and the screen we're gonna mount it on this wall. Let me show you where I'm gonna mount it. So all the screen is gonna be here. This is a monitoring room and the reception. And let me show you the other areas. So we're gonna put the two cameras here. So inside we're gonna use the Doom cameras, Hikvision, and this is the kitchen area. We're also gonna put the camera, and two cameras here in the kitchen. And this is a boardroom. So we will put here also the two cameras in the boardroom. And here we are going to the bar area and the swimming pool area. So this is a bar. So we are putting here also the two cameras to cover all this bar. And this is the swimming area. We're going to put also, I think, 2 or 3 cameras outside. And this passage also we are putting 2 cameras. So one camera we're putting here facing down there, and one camera we're putting front and facing here. And one camera we're gonna put on this side. Here is all the rooms, so we're gonna put this side to can see who's going in and out to the room. And this is for the outside. Okay, and this is for the outside. We're putting also all around for the outside, cover all the building around. So we're putting here outside, covering this area. Okay, and this is all is for the outside. So we're putting the cameras here also around the buildings and for the house. So we're gonna cover all this section. So my guys is busy, and I will introduce now for my team also. So we are busy for the digging. So we digging from there. You can see for there's a main gate is open, right? So we gonna be dig from there till to the end. So we started from that side to be here. It's about 300 meter we're digging, and we're gonna put the conduit pipe, and we can bury the pipe after finish the digging, and we make sure it's a waterproofing. So DS, more important things about the DS always try to do proper and the professional job. So we're not gonna be have any comebacks and complaints. So we do the proper, and we give the guarantee also our job. So there is not gonna be have any problem about the wiring and all that. Okay, now I'm walking down to my guys, and I will ask him how far is it and how is going everything. There's my guys is busy for digging. Let me ask him. Hi Ali.
Yeah, hi sir, how's it?
Alright, so how's going everything?
Everything is 100% no virus. Maybe I can introduce myself. My name, of course, is Ali, as what he said. Yeah, I'm a DSC. I'm one of DS members. We are we are always doing professional jobs.
The proper and the professional job.
Sure,
That's good.
sure.
I know that. All right,
Fine, fine.
carry on, eh?
Fine.
So, see, we are just done here. I think about 200 meter already we done for the digging. So we are still going far. And let me introduce for my other guy. This is my installers and the technical team. Hi, you can meet Alfred. This is Alfred. So Alfred, how's it?
I'm good, and you?
All right. So how's going?
Everything is sharp. This is Alfred, also one of the DS member, where you always get professional job at your service.
That's good. All right, carry on. So there's a guy that is busy digging. So there's a T, right? Let me explain you. So here we're gonna put the junction box. So we are coming from there. So here we're gonna put the junction. There's a T. So the one is gonna be go that side. So here is the make sure we are putting for the waterproofing box, and then we carry on straight down till to the gate. So the guys already done for digging, and this one is about 280 millimeter deep. So make sure there's a pipe enough inside the ground, so we're not gonna have any problem. So make sure we are always make sure all the joints and waterproofing. So when it's rain or anything, so the water is not went to the pipe. So if the water is went to the pipe, then the wire is gonna be start damage. So that's we are always careful about that. And here is another T for the gate. We are putting for the gate for the 3 cameras on this corner, and here also we're gonna use the junction box for the waterproof. So one is going this side for the 25 millimeter, and one is going for this side to another gate 25 millimeter. But this one we are coming from 50 millimeter. So in case in future if you want to add more cameras, so easily we can pull another wire and we can leave the draw wire inside the pipe. Now let me show you my another guy, and let me introduce the third one. And this is a gate motor. We also installed the gate motors. So that guy went to down to the another gate. So let me show you. Okay, here is my another guys. This is our final destination to be drop the pipe here. Okay, so you can meet Kenneth. How's going?
Everything is going good.
That's good. So this is also our installer and our technical member, and for the DS member as well. So Kenneth, what you gonna say about the DS?
Hi guys, I'm Kenneth. I'm a member of a DS security.
Yeah, DS always doing the proper and the professional job.
Always doing a proper job, professional job.
I can see you tired now, but this we always reach there. So this is our final destination. We almost done here. Eh? Sure, Kenneth. So this is the outside area. You can see this is a very big farm, and there is no any other residential. So this is a farm area, is holiday place, and the people are coming to holiday and enjoy and just have a fun here. So this is another gate. We are putting the cameras. This is another gate also we are covering for put the cameras, make sure all the security is going to be enough. And we are putting the electric fencing on top of this wall, so that no one can jump inside. And the next project for the next building, the people are busy building the wall, so we're going to start it for the next year. This is for the 2020 and 17th of December in Potchefstroom and from South Africa. So DS always busy for security and give the good service. Try our best to be give the good service to the client and always happy.
Doesn't make a record it.
Hi guys, my name is Reis and I'm from South Africa and from the DS, all about security. And DS always try our best to do the proper and the professional job, and we have a proper professional team and for the installers and the qualified technicians. So I show you my installers are busy and digging and running the wires. So we just try to do our best so the client always be happy and affordable price, everything, and the qualified job. Thank you so much.